Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SpaceChain token. Now the SpaceChain token just finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They did very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the SpaceChain token. So Space is a new EVM layer 1 blockchain. By the way, Space is the ticker symbol for SpaceChain. It's a new EVM layer 1 blockchain created to discover new technological innovation solutions for mass adoption. Fast, composable, ecological for everyone. Mainnet launched, testnet launched, Block Explorer launched, no private sale, buy tax 0%, sell tax 6%. They do have a faucet available. They have a link on PinkSale for their faucet. 0 unlocked tokens, WeChat, Weibo, BTalk, Chinese marketing pre-launch, Bridge, and they have a link to their bridge, and also Binance Live Ask Me Anythings. So lots of cool stuff involved with this project here. They have a full audit, so they were audited by Fresh Coins, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to a company called Solid Proof to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. They even have a little embedded YouTube video trailer that you could watch called SpaceChain New EVM Layer 1 Blockchain. So SpaceChain's the name of the token. Space is the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. They had a pre-sale recently on pinksale.finance. 374 different investors contributed to this pre-sale. They sold 348.26 BNB worth of tokens. Their soft cap was only set at 50 BNB, and they sold almost 350 BNB, so they definitely surpassed their soft cap by almost 7 times. Very successful pre-sale. Total supply of this token is 100 million tokens. They have, let's see here, 20 million tokens for pre-sale, 9.9 million tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $150,000. And now that the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, it'll be going over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there. And liquidity will be locked for 365 days. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 20% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 9.9% go to liquidity, 12% go to blockchain development, 10% go to staking rewards, we got 10% going to buybacks and burning, we got 10% going to marketing, 5% central exchange and decentral exchange listings, 5% team tokens, 5% reserve allocation, 5% rewards for early users, 3% partnerships, 3% DAO, 1.6% for others, and only 0.4% of the tokens are unlocked, so just a very tiny amount. Now they do have a quick audit here by Seifu Audit, and you can view that in the discussion section. It says, no mint function found, owner cannot set max transaction, no blacklist function, owner cannot pause trading, owner cannot set fees over 25%. So all good check marks there. There's no bad warnings or anything like that on their quick audit that you should be aware of. So that's a good news, of course. Now their official webpage, if you're looking to find more information, is spacechain.finance. Over there you could find a full white paper. So it says users may get a thorough explanation of the SpaceChain blockchain, its crucial keys and its fundamental ideas in the paper. So that's why you would check out the white paper. Furthermore, the characteristics, operating algorithm, and long-term development strategy of the chain are covered in the paper as well. It's built for passion, for the community, straight from the heart. So the concept here of SpaceChain originated from the growth of an alternative layer 1 blockchain. The layer 1 trend is a current one of the, it's one of the most popular things in crypto. These are the blockchains without Bitcoin led by Ethereum network. More particularly, Ethereum was the first layer 1 in the history of crypto. However, there are some issues. It says Ethereum needs more capacity to onboard a larger amount of wallets because at some point the fees are unaffordable for most investors and the network becomes congested. Of course, we know from the Ethereum roadmap that the scaling solutions will appear one day, but until then, we need blockchains that will handle more significant amount of users. Here is where alternative layer 1 blockchains come out of the woods. Networks like Solana, BNB Chain, Aptos, Optimism, etc. Their primary duty is to reduce the transaction costs, increase TPS, transactions per second, and to create a healthy environment for the masses. So that's obviously what this is trying to do here. So overview of the SpaceChain. Let's skip to that here. It says SpaceChain is a new dimension of Ethereum scaling solutions built for the NFT and GameFi ecosystems with external benefits for space token holders. It's an EVM-based network, meaning that it's compatible with all kinds of EVM blockchains on the crypto market. SpaceChain can communicate with Ethereum, Polygon, and Optimism in seconds. All the operations run on the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is described later in the paper. Not only that, but also SpaceChain has one of the best capacities in the market. It's like 15 Ethereums with 50,000 transactions per second. The performance, scalability, and user experience aspects are grinded into the top level. We hire the best people from the industry so they can create fast, secure, and frictionless free blockchain solutions for the crypto masses. So the Space token currency is the primary utility token, the means of value that you can transfer inside the ecosystem, with the leading utility being the native token in particular. SpaceChain is already deployed, it says. Product ready on day 1 instead of never. Comparing to other tokens that never come out with actual utility. So they have token metrics on here. We pretty much went over that except for taxes. Let's see if we can find taxes on here. Now token utility is on here. No, it doesn't say what the taxes are for. Strange. Yeah, I think it said 6% taxes on sales, so you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 6%. But yeah, if you want to learn more information about this token, just go over to docs.spacechain.finance. Tons of info on their paper you can check out, or go to their webpage, spacechain.finance. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.